Hi, I'm Kieran from Intelligent Fingerprinting, and today I'm going to talk you through how our fingerprint drug testing solution works. At Intelligent Fingerprinting, we bring workplace drug testing into the 21st century with a process which is faster, more dignified and more hygienic than traditional approaches. Instead of collecting urine or saliva, we collect fingerprint sweat. Totally clean, non-invasive, much better employee experience and removes many of the barriers that come with traditional testing methods. The best way for me to demonstrate this is to walk you through the process step by step. We use a three-part system. The Drug Screening Cartridge. This collects the sample and detects the most commonly used drugs in workplace environments. The Drug Screening Reader. This analyzes the cartridge and provides clear on-screen results. The Confirmatory Laboratory Kit, which you can send to a UCAS accredited lab for verified confirmation when required. You don't need any special setup to begin testing. There's no need to block off restrooms, wait for somebody to produce a urine sample or enforce nil by mouth rules. You simply check the donor's fingertips for any cuts, coverings or anything that might affect the collection. Collecting a sample is straightforward. You take all 10 fingerprints on a single cartridge. The donor presses each fingertip firmly onto the pad. You're looking for a slight change in colour near the tip of the fingernail or slight redness in the knuckle. This shows that the donor applied sufficient pressure and the sample was collected correctly. It's very difficult to cheat this process. The only way to avoid providing a sample would be not to touch the cartridge, but because the process is fully observable, it's easy for the collector to see that the sample is genuine. Once the sample is collected, it's time to analyse it using the Drug Screening Reader. The reader is simple and intuitive to use. Just follow the on-screen instructions, press the buffer clip to activate the test, and wait for the results. The first test takes around 10 minutes. After that, the reader is prepped for batch testing, allowing up to 6 people to be tested within 15 minutes in real-world time. This gets team members back to work quickly and reduces downtime. The Intelligent Fingerprinting drug testing solution provides a clean, fast, cost-effective way for you to manage your workplace drug testing. It helps to support traditional drug testing programs, helps you to drive a drug use deterrent throughout your business, and helps you to maintain a safe and productive workforce. Through our onboarding and full product training, we make sure that your team is confident and ready to use the system from day one. We're here to support you at every step of the process to make sure you can get the most out of fingerprint drug testing and see the benefits across your entire organisation.